Your Gmail got hacked? Don't panic. You can still get it back. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the exact recovery process. Whether the hacker changed your password, locked you out, or is sending emails on your behalf, I'll show you what to do right now to regain access and secure your account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we talk about cybersecurity and how to protect your digital life. If you've lost access to your Gmail, which often means losing access to YouTube, Google Drive, and even your phone backups, stay tuned, because I'm going to guide you through Google's recovery system step by step. First, go to the Gmail login page and try your email and last known password. If you're still able to log in, immediately go to Google Account, Security, Password, and set a brand new, strong password. Then, enable two-factor authentication. If you can't log in, let's move to recovery mode. On the Gmail login page, click Forgot Password, enter your Gmail address. Google will ask a series of recovery questions, like your last password, linked recovery phone, or recovery email. Answer as accurately as you can. If you get a code sent to your backup phone or email, enter it and reset your password right away. If the hacker has already changed your recovery phone or email, don't give up. Google will let you tap. Try another way. This may include waiting for a verification code to be sent to your registered phone, answering security questions, or getting a link to verify via your backup email. If nothing works, keep choosing try another way until Google lets you fill out the full account recovery form. This is the most important step. Go to g.co recover. Here, Google asks for details to confirm you're the real owner. Be prepared to provide the exact month and year you created the account, previous passwords you remember, recovery email or phone numbers you've used before, and sometimes even the last time you successfully logged in. The more accurate your answers, the higher your chances of getting access back. Once you regain access, don't stop there. Secure your account immediately. Change your Gmail password again to something unique. Remove any devices you don't recognize under Google Account, Security, Your Devices. Check third-party app access and revoke anything suspicious. Enable two-step verification using Google Authenticator or your phone number. This ensures hackers can't sneak back in. Check your Gmail settings for forwarding rules. Hackers often set up automatic forwarding so they still get your emails even after you recover. Also, scan your sent folder for emails you didn't write and let your contacts know if spam was sent from your account. Never click on suspicious links or attachments. Always type mail.google.com manually instead of using random links. Use a password manager to generate and store secure passwords. And that's it. That's how to recover your hacked Gmail and lock hackers out for good. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting more guides to keep you safe online. Thanks for watching and stay secure.